Proverbs 22:6 says, "Train up a child in the way he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it." Right here behind me, I have a perfect example of a sugar pie pumpkin that I've been training up the trellis in the way that she should grow. And once these growth patterns are established, once this stem gets thicker and all the leaves and all the little curlicues that try to hang on, these little curlicues that are going to hang on to the trellis, once those are all established, it's not going anywhere. Ask the Lord what you need to do to be trained onto Him just a little bit better today. He'll tell you. It might be a big jump. It might not. If you keep yourself trained to the Lord with daily repentance, they're really small changes. If you haven't been doing this, it might hurt a little bit. You might lose a couple of your flowers, you might lose a couple of your leaves, you might feel ripped apart at the seams even. But if you grow in the Lord's way, the blessings are incredible. Love you. Until next time.